1,000 if you are a lucky one. And the rule is here. Just follow the arrow. Go right, go left, go up. And if you find 3 flies, you will get $10. If you get this one, 3 of these, you will get 25. And if you find 3 coins, you will get $50. But if you got this, it is game over. Now, okay, I bought 2 tickets. So, but the other one, I already scratched. And I found this. So, 1 coin, and I got a frog and game over. But the other one, I successfully reached the finishing line. So I haven't scratched yet the prize, but I will continue to the frog number 3. By the way, if you don't win non-winning ticket, you can submit it, and if you are a lucky one, you will get a PlayStation 5, and there are other prizes. So let's try to do the frog 3. So we will go to start. Frog 3. Oops. Is go up, left, up, up, right, up, and then right, and then left, up, up, and then right. Okay, so I got 1 coin, 2 coins. I need 1 more coins to get $50. Oops, to the left and to the up. Game over. In other words, frog number 2 is the one reaches the finishing line. Now we will do the second ticket I have, and it's number 45. Number 45. So let's do the frog 1. The frog 1. I got fly. 1 fly, and up, up, right, up, up, left, up. Game over. Okay, let's do frog number 2. Okay, well, it is I got frog. Up. Yeah, it's bad. Let's go to frog number 3. Okay, up. Fly again. So how many flies I got? I got 1, 2. This gonna be the 2 flies. Fly. I mean. Uh-oh. It's game over. So this is a non-winning ticket, and I'm going to submit it for the second chance game. Okay, and let's see what's the price of this ticket. Okay, so I got the finishing line, and let's scratch. It's a free ticket. Well, okay, this is a $5 ticket, and I won a free ticket. I get money back from this one, and I lose $5 for this ticket. Okay, try this game and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you again.